kung papayag siya.
Mayor, kailan niyo papalayain si Gloria Arroyo?
Look, alam mo kasi, ganito yan eh. I'm ready to grant pardon kay Arroyo. Let me explain. Si Arroyo, to my mind, should also be released. Kasi yung lahat na demanda in connection with the sweepstakes expenditure ng intelligence fund, nasa labas na. Si Arroyo lang ang hanggang ngayon nandyan. And I said, ako as mayor for many years, I used to handle also yung intelligence fund. So nakikita ko ngayon, how can you account properly yung intelligence fund? Nailagay mo naman yan dyan. Expenses for paying the persons who are patrolling the streets at this hour. Gano'n, yung magkano tayo, may padayawan, gano'n. Yung mga tao dyan, binibigyan ko ng pera yan. At saka yung hindi ko masyado kaibigan, pero alam ko makatulong, especially galing bukid, yan meron kaming tinatawag ng mga assets, binibigyan ko yan. Paano ilagay doon yan? Ayaw ang pahig ng pangalan. Hindi mo pirma yan. Ilagay mo. Even when Miswari magpunta siya dito, expenses incurred in connection with the visit of Miswari. What is that? Well, you deploy forces. Then meron kang mga spies. Then yung mga muro dito na utusan mo na hindi spies pang away. Na nobody would just blow up a grenader mo, patay si Miswari o dito, then you have to keep it. Paano mo mailagay yan? Hindi sabi mo, kung itemized, okay pa for intelligence for like that. Hindi mo baski kanina.
So malapit na siya sa
ayaw niya. I offered I said when I become president, I will pardon you. I talked to her. Sabi ko, ma'am, gusto mo i-pardon kita? Not because we are friends, but because I do not think that there is a good case against you. As a prosecutor and as a lawyer.
Ano sabi niya?
Ayaw ko because to be eligible for pardon, you have to admit the sin. Ayaw niya kasi wala naman siyang kasalanan. Tama naman. Sabi ko na lang, well, you just apply for bail. Total, lahat naman naka-bail na. Mura to, naka-bail na yan. And I will just give my 2 cents. Not to favor, but again, she deserves to be released.
Sure. What about...
Alam mo bakit? Isa pa yan. She has been detained for so long. The trial delayed.